Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our second science lesson in our first week of lockdown online learning this week. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the movie. I know it was a 50-minute movie, but I think the places where you were taken and the things you would have seen were interesting and amazing. So I just want to explore a bit more this concept. Isn't it amazing how life actually survives even in the harshest conditions? And that is because both humans, animals, and plants, all living things, have this amazingly created thing within them to adapt. They can actually change certain things to actually continue living in harsh and extreme environments. Um, these changes sometimes are structural. In other words, something changes about the structure of the living thing, whether it's an animal, whether it's a human being, or whether it's a plant. And sometimes what changes is actually the behavior of animals, the behavior of humans in these harsh conditions. So today I would like you to explore a bit more this idea of adaptation through structural changes and through behavioral changes. So I would like you to read a text, and that text contains a poem by Dorothy McKellar, and it also contains bits from Captain Charles Sturt's diaries that he kept as he explored mainly the outback area of New South Wales, but not, of South Australia, but not only that. And I want you to read these excerpts from his diary very carefully, because he mentions in there some animals. He mentions also some plants he came across in his expedition, um, and maybe you remember some of the plants and animals mentioned in the movie you watched on Monday. Um, so what I would like you to do is actually go back now and choose some of those animals and plants. One animal, one plant that actually exist in the outback Australia. And I want you to actually delve a bit deeper and see, okay, what structural changes have taken place? What behavioral changes have taken place for these animals and plants and even humans to be able to survive in these harsh conditions. So I will, excuse me, I will post this video, and I will post the PDF. And obviously, you will have to do some research. if there are plants or animals that you already know of that survive in the harsh conditions of the Australian desert, you are more than welcome to choose those. You don't have to go for what's in what's in today's PDF. If you have any questions, as always, please do pop them in the forum or send us an email. Forum is actually preferable, and I hope you will enjoy in today's exploration. So this is what I want you to be able to articulate at the end of your journey of exploration. What structural changes or behavioral changes have you noticed in the animal or the plant of your choice, and how do these things actually enable the animal and the plant to actually survive the harsh conditions of the Australian outback? That would be all for me until Monday, when I will introduce you to a new science session. Until then, bye-bye. Happy exploring. I can't wait to actually read some of your investigations and some of your research. Bye for now.